Hey you guys, so in today's video we're going to take a quick look at the headlight on my 2011 Yamaha FZ6R. I finally decided to replace this thing because I'm not a huge fan of how this looks. So I decided to go with the KT Moto Headlight assembly, which will basically replace this whole piece obviously. As you can tell, this one's got a chrome housing. The new one will have a blacked out housing, a white angel eye, and a red demon eye. And then I went with 6K for the lights, so that should look pretty cool. The reason I'm replacing this is because I'm not a huge fan of this headlight and the light is not that bright. So having the new one with the blacked out housing and the 6K lights will make it so much better. A lot easier to see at night too. So it's, cosmetic stuff, but it's also, for functionality as well. So let's take a look at how the low beams look right now. Not too bad. Look at the high beams real quick. So the stock headlight does a pretty good job. I'm just not happy with the light output, so like I said, I'll be replacing it. And I am going to do a separate series of videos of before and after videos with the stock headlight and the new one during the day and at night and all that. And then once I get the new headlight, I will make a similar video to this, probably in the same location as well, and we'll see how the new one looks. Hey you guys, so I now have the KT Moto headlight installed on my bike. So we'll take a look at that real quick. It's got the blacked out housing compared to the chrome housing on the stock headlight. Looks really good on the bike. Let's take a look at the lights themselves. So here's what the low beam looks like. Not bad. Now we'll take a look at the high beam. Pretty bright. Last but not least, my favorite, the demon eye. So overall, this is a really nice headlight so far. Huge shout out to Motorsports for installing it for me. I will post their link in the description down below. And I also did get new tires, so we can take a look at those real quick. Not bad. So yeah, that's what the KT Moto headlight looks like on my 2011 Yamaha FZ6R. Thanks for watching.